What I'm doing today is I'm just tying in a couple of runs of rebar to stabilize my steel structure. So I'm tying into these number 4s that I wet set, and then just go along, and I'm doing just like I did with my footings. I'm clamping these together with some vice grips, and then I'll tie them in. Here's a section that I did somewhere. Well, anyway, this is on the upper section I did. And that's what I'm doing today, going through, and then of course I'm just checking my bottom bolts and make sure they're still tight. And I'll finish this up. I'll post these a little later on the YouTube channel, and I'm going to send these in to a guy that's done some of these before and just make sure I'm doing this right. And that's where I'm at.